There seems like a buzz term being thrown around as of lately, but it does indeed look like AI is the present and future of how things will improve and elevate to the next level when it comes to the audio and visual experience we've come to know on our devices. In this case, Samsung's new 8K and 4K Neo QLED TVs are all about AI. Hi, Ben from SamMobile. If you enjoy new and exclusive videos like this, then be sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss any new videos on YouTube with SamMobile TV. Here's our early first look at Samsung's new QLED TV lineup here at CES 2024 in Las Vegas. Let's start with Samsung's new 8K TV, the QN900D, which comes in sizes of 65, 75, 85, and a new 98-inch model in the works, and follows up from the QN900C we covered previously at CES 2023. The main focus of what makes these TVs stand out from before is the new NQ3 AI Gen 3 processor powering the visual and sound experience of the TVs. This is all thanks to the new, more powerful NPU, which is said to be twice as fast with 8 times more neural networks. This is all in the name of better upscaling for 8K content, better motion enhancement with depth improvements, and also better audio quality with improved voice amplification and clarity. It's all a lot to say and think of at this time, as we do have to take things at face value in this controlled environment based on what Samsung Electronics are showing us. But considering the lack of native 8K content when it comes to capture and live broadcasting, Samsung are really determined to show 8K as the present and future of the TV viewing experience. In Samsung's controlled demo of its 8K AI Upscaling Pro at work, it showed a side-by-side video of 480, 720, and 1080p video feed being upscaled to 8K Super HD, and I have to say it did look impressive. No word on the limitations of where and how much it can be used on things such as games consoles and Blu-ray players, but for now it does look very promising. For the AI Motion Enhancer Pro, what was showcased was the improvement to motion tracking, ghosting, and smoothness of imagery in sports content, which in this case was golf. Unpopular opinion aside in regards to motion smoothing being used in movies and TV shows, for sports, and most importantly the type of sport being shown, these features might be useful and do look good in motion. The Active Voice Amplifier Pro uses a deep learning algorithm to analyze spoken dialogue in scenes to better increase clarity, volume, and pitch, while still keeping a natural feeling to the sound to help make it easier to follow what is being said. It was hard to really appreciate this at work in a very noisy show floor environment at this current time. There's also Q Symphony support, which allows you to connect multiple wireless speakers and a soundbar to the TV to create a seamless surround sound setup experience. Now, the physical design of the TV is excellent and is based on what Samsung are calling an Infinity Air design. This basically means the QN900D sits on the tip of a stand, which has been designed with a mirror effect to make the TV appear like it's floating. Samsung is also claiming that the 65-inch version of the QN900D is the world's thinnest 8K TV screen with a depth of 12.9 millimeters. Software-wise, the Neo 8K QLED TVs are running the latest Tizen OS 2004, which streamlines the home TV experience with easier to access content based on different accounts on the TV and better user interface. Not forgetting 4K, we have Samsung's QN95D, QN90D, and QN85D. The QN95D and QN85D come in sizes of 55, 65, 75, and 85 inches, while the QN90D comes in a wider range with 43, 50, and 48 inches available. No mention of if these will be 120Hz based TVs, but we expect nothing less considering these are follow-ups from last year's QN95C. Powering the TVs is Samsung's NQ4 AI Gen 2 processor, which aids in better image clarity considering how stretched a 4K image can be on a 98-inch TV. This should help keep things nice and clear. What are your thoughts on Samsung's 8K and 4K Neo QLED TV lineup for 2024? Let us know in the comment section below. For the latest news in the world of Samsung daily, be sure to visit us at SamMobile.com. And for the latest videos on YouTube or SamMobile TV, be sure to subscribe and turn on notifications, and we will see you next time.